Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. Today I will show you the third way to locate a product file in DazStudio Content Library. Let's switch to Shortcuts tab in TinyBin Daz Content Manager. And in here you can create your own shortcuts library for your most commonly used product file. I have already created some folders on the left, and under these folders there are some shortcuts for the product file. Let's create a new one from the beginning. Create root and input the name for this folder, favor figure, and create a subfolder, favor figure G8. Since these folders are created by yourself, so you must be very familiar with the hierarchy. So it will be easier for you to locate a file in TinyBin Daz Content Manager than in DazStudio Content Library. Our next mission is to create shortcuts under these folders. Let's switch to Install tab and find your most commonly used product file. For example, I like this female very much, and she is my leading actress in my story. So let's double click this product and switch to Content Library tab. Find this character file. Here it is, and drag it to the right to the appropriate folder, favor figure G8. Close this window and switch to shortcuts. Click favor figure G8. So this shortcut will appear. So how to use this shortcut? It's easy. Double click. It will immediately locate the file for you in Content Library in DazStudio. And you can double click the image to load the character. There are 3 ways for you to use this shortcut. Please check these 3 buttons: load and locate, load file and locate file. Load and locate, if I click this button, it will locate this file for you in Content Library in DazStudio and load this character into the scene. A load file, it means just load this character into the scene without locating. And locate file is located this file in Content Library in DazStudio. Currently, locate file is the default action if you double click the shortcut. But if you want to change it, you can go to Settings, Others, Shortcut Default Action. You can change to other option. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about the TinyBin Daz Content Manager.